I'm definitely going to need your help.
No, I'm just trying to point this thing up.
Oh yeah. Oof. Wow.
Can I come right over? Do I come
Yeah,
right
come right below me if you don't mind. This could be Bert. He's not ready. He's not ready. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna give you my phone too. I'm gonna want a still of this one if I can land him. It's the girl's birthday, 012799. He is not ready by any stretch of the imagination. He may be now. Wow, this 5-weight is taking it all. I hope I'm getting all this on film. Easy, 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 easy. Holy fuck, this could be the one that I lost the last time. Unless there's an identical fish in here. Wow. Did he take the bead or the dropper? I can't tell. He took the bead. Scoop him up. You got him? All right, just keep him in the water. Keep him in the water. Keep him in the water. Yeah, he took the bead. Wow. Holy cow. Look at the draw on him, huh? Just stuck it in there right in his jaw, man.